Let's take your visuals to the next level through creative trends and techniques. Next up, the sudden reveal. That was seamless.
Tasty.
I love it.
Teach me.
Okay, let's do this. First things first, for this to work, we gotta keep that phone still. Set up a tripod or a phone stand of some kind. Now, shoot 2 scenes mimicking the same action. Use the first scene as a setup and then the second scene to reveal. In this case, she's combining 2 cookies to show how they baked a macaroon into a cookie. Adding fun and colorful props can really help this technique pop.
Awesome. Then what?
Head to the TikTok tools and find Adjust Clips. This is where the magic happens. Trim the video so the last frame of A is as similar as possible to the first frame of B.
Woo!
I want those cookies.
Got some ideas already.
You'll be mastering this in no time.